Hello there, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Moxie, which is one business management platform that is specifically designed for freelancers and small business owners. And see, it's an alternative of Dubsado Honeybook. They're saying that Moxie is a business management platform designed to help freelancers and small businesses work more efficiently and scale their growth. They're running their lifetime deal on AppSumo. The license tier 1 pricing is 39 USD. Here you can have one seat or one team member, but if you need more team member, then you have to upgrade up to license tier 3 actually. But you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. You just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this Moxie lifetime deal, and on all tiers you will get the custom branding and white label feature. Also, the cool thing is you will get the access of their Moxie Academy. Here, as you can see here, this is the Moxie Academy, and in this academy you will get the step-by-step guideline or step-by-step tutorial how you can manage your team remotely. If you have any freelance team or if you have any small business, how you can manage your team, you will get the step-by-step guideline actually. Hope you get idea now. Without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Moxie. Here, see, this is the dashboard of Moxie. If I go to the home section, here in the focus section, you can add your client, you can add your new project, you can add agreement, you can here add your task, time entry, expense, and also invoice. And here you will see all your previous tasks. As you can see here, this is one task, this is another task, and if you just click on any task, then you will see the detail about this task. See, this task is client approved and it's assigned to this person, and here you will see the client name, you will see the project name, you will see the start date, you will see the due date, priority. You can set up the priority, as you can see 5, 4, 10, as you can see, and you can just enable the time. Here, see that let's say you are starting working on this task right now, so you can just enable the timing, and then this timing will start to track actually. Hope you get idea. Also, here you can set up the by default payment, and by this way, whenever you will stop this timing, then automatically the total payment will be calculated actually, because your hourly rate will be saved here. Hope you get idea. And if you want, you can add some description here. Let's say I will get some dummy text here. Let's say this is the text, and then I'll just paste it here. Let's say here this is the description, and subtask, if you want, you can add subtask. Let's say subtask 1, and then maybe sub task 2, and in this way you can add task actually. You can add file that is needed on this task actually. Let's say I will add here one file. See guys, I have added here one PDF. Hope you get idea. And then the last option is you can add comment. Let's say nice, here this is one comment, and you can add these comments here actually. Hope you get idea. You can edit this comment, you can delete this comment, and then if you want, you can just click on the save changes, and the changes will be saved. You can share it, you can duplicate it, you can archive it or delete it. So these are the things. Hope you get idea guys. These things has been saved. So I hope you get idea. And then if I go to the calendar view, here in the calendar view you will see all your work, what you are doing on which day, what you have to do. See, as you can see on the calendar view, we are seeing here the bird's eye view of our work actually, on which date, which things or which task we need to finish actually, we can see from here. And then they have the insight. If I go to the insight section, here we can see the invoice amount, the received amount, and here we can see our other income, our expense. If I click on our expense, then here we can see on which work how much we have expended actually. As you can see, for rent or lease of building we have expended $150, and if I click on any one, then I will be able to see more details. Let's say I will click here and see $150 amount, tax rate. If you want, you can insert let's say the tax rate will be 7%. Client, let's say this is the client, and project, this is the project. And if you want, you can also add these things actually. I'm not adding right now. And then let's say this is the description, and then category. Let's say the category is this category. Vendor, if you want, you can add new vendor here. Just click here, and then you will be able to add new vendor. I'm not adding right now, but you can add. And then date and note, if any note is available, you can add these things actually, and then you can save the changes. Hope you get idea guys. In this way you will be able to track your company's daily expense. You will be able to track your company's daily income, net income, and then hours you have worked. As you can see, if I just click here, and then you will see on which time, how much time you have worked for which project, for which client. You will be able to see all the data from here. And then average hours per month, on billed hours, and true hourly rate. As you can see here, this is the true hourly rate. Hope you get idea. And here you can filter it for today, for this week, for last week, for this month, for last month, for last year, for custom date also. Hope you get idea, guys. Here, as you can see here, year to date. As you can see here, if I just click here, year to date, and you can filter by client, you can filter by lead source, you can filter by trend also. Hope you get idea, guys, about this insight section. Here you will see the insight of your company. Actually, you will be able to see how much you have earned, how much you have expended, etc, etc. Hope you get idea. After that, they have client section, and in the client section you will be able to see all your client. If you want to add new client, just click here on this plus icon, and then here insert the details about this client, and then you will be able to add your client here. As you can see, guys, I have added one client. Just click here, and then you will see more details about this client. As you can see here, this is the details about this client. So guys, here this is the client name, this is the client address, phone number, website, lead source. If you add, you can add it, and then contact. If you want, you can add contact details, more contact details. If you want, you can attach any file that you want. As you can see here, have attach file. You can see the project name, status, next due date. If you want to add any other project with this client, just click here on this plus icon, and then let's say project Nasha, and then just click this create option, and then this project will be created. Hope you get idea. And here you can see the payment received amount and total hours worked with this client. And if you have any note, you can add note here about this client actually. Hope you get idea. And this is the overview. Also you can see the invoice of this client. As you can see, if I go to the invoice section here, see all the invoices will be saved here. If I just click on any one, then you will see more details about this client. As you can see here, this is the details actually. Here it's paid, watermark will be added here. And if you want to share it, you can share it to Moxie inbox. Moxie inbox means the client email actually, and you can download the PDF also from here. Just click here, download PDF, and then it will be downloaded. So guys, it has been downloaded here. I'm not opening the downloaded version, but you can open it if you want. Hope you get idea. And then they have the deposit amounts, and they have the inbox. As you can see here, you will see the deposit amount that has happened with this client. These are the things actually. And then they have the inbox. If I go to the inbox section, then you will be able to see the conversation. And here, see, if I just click on this plus icon, then you can have conversation on email, on project, on invoice, deposit. So these are things. Let's say maybe I will open the email. Just click here, email, and then here new email, and here see no communicator in mailbox connected. So we have to connect the email actually. Just click here on this yes, and then here we have to add our email, and here we can add Gmail, G Suite, Apple or iCloud, Microsoft Office, Yahoo. We can add here our custom email, Google or G Suite Legacy also we can add here. So we can sign in with Google also. Let's say I will add here one email. Just you have to authorize your account, and then allow the information that they want, and then it will be added here. See guys, and the email has been connected. I have connected this email here. Now if you want, you can add here signature. Let's say the signature is Passivern. Passivern. You can add here hyperlink, you can add here code, and you can add here different colors. You can change the font size, etc, etc. And email sync frequency you can change from here, 5 minutes, 10 minutes also from here. And you can have shared inbox also here, and then you can just click on this update, and then it will be added here. Hope you get idea guys. And from here you can see the IMAP status and SMTP status actually. Hope you get idea. Now if I go back from here, now if I open the email conversation, now let me open it, and then here see, here we have to insert the two. Let's say the two is, this is the two, and then here I will add some email. Let's say this is my email text, and then if you want, you can send this email, and you can have the conversation with this client. Then they have the timesheet. If I go to the timesheet section, here you will be able to see the activity log of your business with this client. That means on 29 June, how much time you have worked. As you can see, the work duration was 2 minutes and 27 seconds. And then let's say on when, let's say on 22 May, the work duration was this amount. So in this way, you can have the time log, how much time you have worked on which date. With this client, you can keep track of this work here actually. After that, they have the agreement. If I just go to this agreement section here, you can create new agreement actually. as you can see, they have the agreement. Just click here and you can create proposal, contract, or quote. So just click here on this proposal. Let's say we will create here one proposal. See guys, here how nice looking it is. Here one image will be added, and here is the title, propose for service. You can edit it. Let's say um, proposal for let's say construction work. So this is the title, let's say. And then here by video editor, you can here change everything. Every text you can change, everything is changeable. Just double click here and you can change every section from here. If you want to insert here any other block, just click here insert block. You can add here text block, file attachment block, image with caption, image centered block. You can have contract terms and add fee structure with deliverables. So let's say we will add here one file attachment block. So just click here and see. Now if I want, I can just upload one file here. See guys, the file is uploading here. This is the file. So these are the things. Hope you get idea guys about this proposal creation agreement section. And then if you want, you can just save it and then it will be saved. Hope you get idea guys. And see, this proposal has been created here. And similarly, you can create here different types of agreement. After that, they have form. And let's say on your business, you need one form to submit some data from your client section. So you can just create form here. They have the step-by-step tutorial also, and you can send a form to them. Just click here and then here let's say I will create one form here. As you can see here, and there have the option to create the form. Let's say you want to add one text here. Just drag and drop it and then it will be added, I think. Yes, just drag and drop it. See here, enter the text. Let's say I will write like please answer the question. Let's say please answer the questions. And then let's say I want to add one image. So just drag and drop it, and then here you have to upload your image actually. So guys, whenever I have clicked here you can change the alignment, you can change the padding, bottom, padding top, and you can upload your image here. Let's say here this is one image actually. Hope you get idea guys. And if it's done, just click on this done. And if you want to add button, just drag and drop it. So the thing is, you can create the form actually here, and then you can save it, and then you can share this form to your client, and then you can get lead or you can get data from your clients actually. Then they have meetings. If I go to this meeting section, then with this client, if you have any meeting on your calendar, then you will be able to see all your meetings details that you have done previously, and in future the meetings that you will be done with this client, you will be able to see all your meetings details here. In my case, I don't have any meetings with this client. And then they have opportunity, and if I go to this opportunity section, here if we just click on this add an opportunity, and then here we will get this option actually. Let's say our opportunity name is, let's say, vendor. This is one name, let's say, and here we have to select the client. Let's say our client is this client. If you want, you can add new client from here, and then here inquiry, let's say meeting, and then confidence, let's say very good, and then estimated value, let's say the estimated value will be, let's say this is the estimated value, and then you can make it one time, per day, per week, per month, let's say per year. And then close date, let's say the close date will be this date. And then you can add description, you can add to do, let's say do one. Let's say I'll write here, how can I write it, let's say do one, and then do two, and then do three. So in this way you can add here to do, and you can archive the opportunity if you want also. And then just click here on the save changes, and then this opportunity will be created. That means, I think in this opportunity section, you can add any business idea that you can do with this client. Let's say you are working with this client, or you are talking with this client, and then you just go to an idea by which, or that you can offer this client, but you cannot propose this offer right now. So you can keep this opportunity here in this section so that you do not forget it actually. Hope you get idea guys about this client section. They have lots of feature. After that, they have project. If I go to the project section, similarly here you can create the project. As you can see, I have already created one project. You can view details about this project, you can edit this project, you can mark this project completed also from here. If I enter to this project here, as you can see the project name, you can see the client who are assigned for this project, and you can see the timeline, the fees per hour, and portal access, and you can here see if you have any file for this project. You can also add collaborators here if you want. And then they have the task progress. You can see how much progress you have done on this task, and payment received amount you can see from here in the invoice section. It will be redirected. So this is the overview actually. As you can see here, payment received and time worked, how much time you worked this month for this project, you can see. And then they have the task section. If I go to the task section, then you will be able to see all the tasks that you have done for this project actually. And as you can see here, this one is client approved, and if I enter here, let's say in progress, you can change the status actually from here. Let's say this one is client approved, and here priority, you can set up the priority from here. You can assign it to your team member, and if you have only tier 1 from here, then you can add here only one team member actually. But if you need more team member, then you have to get at least license tier 2, I think. So these are the things. And if you have any comment, you will be able to see the comment that you have done from here. So these are things actually. You can see all your subtasks. You can edit this task from here. After that, they have note. If you have any note about this project, you can add this note from here. Hope you get idea. And then they have the invoice. You will be able to see all the invoices and that are related with this project from here. Then they have the timesheet. You will be able to see how much time you have worked on whose date for this project from here. Hope you get idea. After that, they have the inbox. That means you can see all the conversations with your client from here actually. In my case, I don't have any conversation, but if you have, you can see. Then they have the pipeline. If I go to the pipeline section here, you can see the opportunities. We have explored these opportunities previously, and see here you will be able to see all your opportunity value also from here. And then they have the forecast. If you have any forecast amount, as you can see on August 23, they are forecasting that you may earn $5,454 actually. So in this way they will forecast, and it will increase your motivation to work with this client, right? So these are the things actually here in the opportunities and forecast section. After that, they have the accounting. If I go to the accounting section, similarly here you will be able to see your total invoice, total due amount, average days to pay. You will be able to see all your invoices, and you will be able to see all your payments and incomes from here, all your expenses from here you will be able to see. And if you have any vendor, you will be able to see your vendor details here. In my case, I don't have any vendor actually. And then here the last option is the profit loss amount. As you can see guys, here this is the profit loss amount. Here you will be able to see the graph. This is the graphical view, and here you will be able to see the total income and total expense, and on which section how much you have expended actually. On advertising you have expensed $150, on entertainment meals you have expended $64. So in this way you will be able to see all your income and expense data. And if you want, you can download this data also from here. And then see guys, this type of profit loss data you will get whenever you will download it. Hope you get idea. After that, they have agreement, and in the agreement section you can see all your agreement. I have created previously on proposal, and I showed you how you can create the agreement. It's similar thing actually. And the last option is timesheet that we have explored previously also. Hope you get idea. The thing is, this is one all-in-one business management platform actually for small business owners or for freelance team, I think. And then there have the workspace setting. In the workspace setting, there have a lots of things actually. See guys, here the most important options are these connected apps. Here you will be able to see the integrations that are available: Google Calendar, Microsoft Calendar, iCloud Calendar, Zoom, and PayPal, Stripe integrations are available. Plate, QuickBooks, and Zero integrations are available, and they have JPR integration also. And then if I go to this workspace setting here, they have form builder. You can create your form from here. Then they have a Stripe payment add option. They have data import export option. Team members, if you want, you can add your team member here. But to add team member, you have to make sure that you have at least licensed 2 or 3 from AppSumo actually. And then they have the meeting scheduler. If I go to this meeting scheduler, here you will be able to see all the meetings that you have scheduled actually. Here see, this is the meeting scheduler overview, and you can select the availability. You can here add questions that people need to answer if they want your schedule. And then confirmation and reminder, payment method you can set up from here, and you can see the preview actually from here. Hope you get idea. And see guys, here this is the preview, and the thing is, you can use this Moxie as an alternative of Calendly also. That means you do not need any other scheduling software. You can use this scheduling feature of this Moxie, and it will be completely white label, guys. If you use Calendly, then it will not be white label, but if you use this, then it will be white label. That's really amazing, guys. Hope you get idea. And then just click here on this save, and then if you want, you can share it. You can embed this scheduler directly in your website. You can get the direct link of this scheduler. You can get internal use link also. So these are the things actually. Hope you get idea. If you want, you can create more schedule from here. So these are the things, and then there have more option. Let me show you guys. There have products and service. If I go to this products and service section, here if you want, you can also add your product or service. Let's say t-shirt, this is my product, and description, let's say this is the description, and default rate, let's say the default rate is $23, billed by hourly or taxable, let's say it's taxable, and currency is USD. I'll select here, let's say United, okay, how can I, dollar, let's say I'll select here Canadian dollar, and add new rate, let's say new rate is 44, and save. So in this way you can add here your product or service actually, and then you can showcase your product or service. And then they have POSIT setting, they have workflow automations. So the last option that I will show you, this workflow automation, that's really a great option, and it's little bit automation type actually. Let's say workflow name will be auto one, and here event, let's say opportunity enters stage, and pipeline, let's say pipeline is proposal, and then just click on this create, and then see you can create the automation of your projects here. As you can see, at first it will be started, right? And if I click here, double click here, let's say okay, nothing is happening. Let's say at first it will be started, and then it will wait for, if I just drag and drop it, I'll just connect it from here. And okay, how can I connect? Yes, it has connected. Now if I just click here, let's say I will wait not 1 day, I will wait 2 hours, let's say 2 hours, and then save it. And then what I want to send them on email. So just connect it and then send the email. And if I double click here, we have to select the form and email template. Let's say here this is the form, and then see here in the two section there have variables. See opportunity email, form email, then contact default, contacts all. So let's say I'll select here opportunity email and form email, and then there have the email template. Here I'll add new email template. Just click here, add new, and then here CC, if you want you can add CC also from here. Hope you get idea, guys. And then if I just click here on the save, here the email will be sent actually. And similarly you can send them, let's say after that you will wait for another 2 hours. Let's say here I will write, or let's say for 1 day, and then you want to send them one invoice. Just click here and then connect. So in this way you can create the automation flow actually here in this section. Hope you get idea, and then you can just save it, you can publish it from here. So these are things I'm not publishing right now, but you can publish it from here. Hope you get idea about this automation section, and these are the things that are available inside this Moxie. So if you think as you need this type of software for your business or for your personal growth, by which you can manage your freelance team very easily, then you can get this Moxie lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the URL of this Moxie lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this Moxie lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thanks again for watching this video.